Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about factors and multiples. First, we will discuss about factors. We know whenever we multiply two numbers, we'll get some result and that result is known as product. For example, if I multiply 2 with 3, my answer is 6 and this 6 is the product of 2 and 3. So we can say that this 2 and 3, these two are the factors of 6. So in other way, we can say that if I divide this 6 with 2, my answer will be 3 and I am getting remainder equal to 0. Similarly, if I divide this 6 with 3, my answer will be 2 and I will get remainder equal to 0. And in other words, we can say that any number that divides the given number completely is called a factor of the given number. So, after dividing 6 with 2 and 3, our remainder is equal to 0. That's why 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Now, let's see how to find factors of a given number with few examples. First question is find factors of 20. For that, what you have to do, if I multiply 1 with 20, I'll get 20. That all we know. Now, start dividing 20 with 2. If I divide 20 with 2, I'll get my answer will be 10. And remainder is equal to 0. So, it means 2 into 10, I'll get answer 20. See, this 20 will go with 3 or not? It won't goes with 3. Because we'll get some remainder. So 3 is not the multiple of 20. Next number we'll check for 4. 4 divided 4 into 5 will get 20 and remainder is equal to 0. It means 4 into 5 is equal to 20. And next number is 5. We'll check for 5. 5 divided by this will get remainder equal to 0. Now it will become 5 into 4 which is also equal to 20. Now after that, no need to do more calculations because see these numbers are interchanging. Here 4 is coming, here 5. So 4 is coming this side and now 5 is coming this side. After that we have to take U-turn and we'll go like this. So we'll write the factors of 20 now. The factors of 20 are 1. Next is 2, next one is 4, next one is 5, 4 and 5 I have written, next will come, after 5, 10 and after 10, 20 will come. These are the factors of 20. Let's take one more example. Find factors of 45. For that same, first 1 multiplied by 45 is equal to 45, correct? Now after that, if I divide this 45 with 2, won't divide 45 completely, we'll get some remainder. So 2 is not the factor of 45. Next number is 3. So we'll check for that number. If I divide this 3 with 45, what will come? 15. So my answer is after dividing 45 with 3, I'm getting remainder equal to 0. No remainder. So it means 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45. Next number will come, which one? 4. With 4 also we won't be able to divide 45. There will be some remainder. So next is 5. 5 9s the 45. So remainder is equal to 0. So 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to, we will check with number 6. If I divide this 45 with 6, we'll get some remainder. So 6 is not a factor of 45. Next number is 7. With 7 if I divide 45, then also I'll get some remainder. It means 7 is also not a factor of 45. Next number is 8. With 8 also it will not go completely. It means that 8 is also not a factor of 45. Next number is 9. With 9 it will go. 9 5s are 45. So 9 into 5 is equal to 45. So after that, what we have to take? We have to take U-turn. So factors of 45 are 1, correct? Next is 3, next is 5, next is 9 and after 9, 15 will come and then 45 will come. See. All these are the factors of 45. Some important points to remember about facts. 1 is a factor of every number. From previous examples we have seen 1 is a factor of 20, as we can write like 1 into 20 is equal to 20, and 1 was a factor of 45 also, as we can write like this also. So 1 is a factor of every number. Next point is every number is a factor of itself. Why? Because see here also 1 multiplied by 20, I'm getting 20. So if I divide 20 with 20, I'll get remainder 0. And if I divide 45 with 45, the remainder will be 0. It means every number is a factor of itself. Third one is every factor is less than or equal to a given number. For example, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. The fourth point is the numbers of factors of a given number are finite, means we can count the number of factors of a given number. For example, number of factors of 20 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can count them. They are finite. Now let's discuss about multiple. We know whenever we multiply two numbers or more than two numbers, we are getting their product. For example, when I multiply 2 with 3, I got 6, and this 6 is the product of these two numbers, and this is known as the multiple of its factors. We know 2 and 3 are the factors of 6, and 6 is the multiple of its factor, means 6 is the multiple of 2 as well as 3. How to find these multiples? For example, the multiple of 2. Then what will we do? We'll multiply this 2 with 1, we'll get 2. 2 multiplied by 3, we are getting 6. All this 6, this 2, these are the multiple of 2. This 6 is also a multiple of 2. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 8. This 8 is a multiple of 2 as well as 8. So like this we can find multiples of a given number. And we can say that a number is a multiple of its factors. Is find multiple of 6. Now what we have to do, we have to simply multiply 6 first with 1, we'll get 6. This 6 is the multiple of 6, and then 6 multiplied by 2 will get the multiple of 6, 12, and next 6 multiplied by 3, this 18 is also a multiple of 6. 6 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 24. 6 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 30. All these are multiple of 6. Similarly, 6 into 6, which is equal to 36, and we can find infinite number of multiples of 6. So what are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. All these are the multiple of 6. Here, every number is a multiple of itself. How? Like 1 into 7, we are getting 7, and this 7 is a multiple of 7 as well as 1. Similarly, other number we can take, for example, 25 multiplied by 1 is equal to 25, and this 25 is a multiple of 25 as well as of 1. Next is every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number, means for example, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 8, 10 and so on. So they are always the multiple of a number. The multiple of 2 are greater, all these are greater than 2 or equal to that number, means 2. Next, every number has infinite multiples. Let me take this example of 2. See, 2 has infinite number of multiples. So every number has infinite number of multiples. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone for watching my video.